Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's Fast Force Profits review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. I'll just refresh my page here. I'm live in my members area for Fast Force Profits, and you'll see my total earned is now $155.34. Bit later on in the video, down here in the members area, it says see my matrix. I'm going to take you inside the matrix, and I'm also going to show you the compensation plan. More importantly, to join our team, there'll be a link in the description. We are currently the fastest growing team within Fast Force Profits, and Fast Force Profits is a bit of a tongue twister. Fast Force Profits is not just an income stream, it's also where you can get massive traffic, and it uses safe list mailers. And by the end of this year, your first year, you can be emailing up to 1.2 million leads. So the potential is here, depending on what level you're at within Fast Force Profits, to be able to reach an absolutely huge audience. And that's an audience that includes tier 1 traffic and buyers. People are saying this is the highest paying matrix in the industry, so I'll come to that shortly. And you can earn fast start bonuses, which is great because that gives you an opportunity to get into passive profit fast. The compensation plan can allow you to earn profitable passive income, and the beauty of that is when you get into that, when you get to that level, then your traffic is going to be for free. One of the main features of the compensation plan is the check matching bonus. So if you're not familiar with how matrix compensation plans works, there's a video I'm going to show you shortly you can watch. But check matching bonus is where affiliate marketers earn the bigger money. We are the fastest growing team in Fast Force Profits, and that gives you an opportunity to potentially and possibly get spillover. So we don't guarantee spillover. There's never ever a guarantee with spillover. We always recommend that you do some of your own promoting. But when those above us have filled out their matrix, then you can potentially get spillover. Interesting fact is that 70% are upgrading to a tri-pack, which is the highest level, which means that you would get more passive commissions. I'll just show you some proof of that shortly. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims, product claims, or any guarantees in this video. It's for educational purposes only. So let's just have a look now. Let's just go back into the members area here. So when you want to look at your matrix, you go into the menu. It says see my matrix. And then what you do is you click on this button here, view Fast Force Profits. It's a 2x12 matrix. And it is in slightly, let's just enlarge that there, just show you that font a bit bigger. That's better, 100%. So you'll see here that I've now got a team of 66, and it's come down 7 generations. Now, there's 2 different levels of membership. One's where you get a single pack, and that would get you one safe list every single month to join. You get upgraded. But the tri-pack, you see here, it says Barry Cross here and Barry Cross here. When you get the tri-pack, then you get 2 additional positions given to you in the matrix. And these are the ones where you can earn check matching bonus. So this is why there's such a high percentage of members upgrading to the tri-pack, because they understand the check matching bonus and they understand the potential of earning more income. So here I've referred Roy Gordon. Roy's doing great. He's got a team of 28. And I also referred Ahmed. Ahmed's got a team of 34. They're both coming down 5 generations. And you'll see they've both got tri-packs. So they've upgraded as well. Now if we come down here, if we come down and look at one of Roy's legs down here, you'll see Jason's bought a tri-pack. You'll see Mike's bought a tri-pack. You'll see, let's have a look here. Who was that? Yeah, that's James bought a tri-pack. Zach's bought a tri-pack. So let's have a look at one of Ahmed's legs just over here, just very briefly. I'm not going to go down all the levels and show you this, but I just want to show you the team of 18 in this leg here. So you click on there and you'll see Bob has bought a tri-pack. You'll see that Earl's bought a tri-pack. You'll see, if you click on Terry, you'll see Terry's bought a tri-pack. So we're not going to go into every single leg, but you can see there's a high percentage of members that are doing that. Now, to get a really good look at the compensation plan, I recommend you just click the link in the description and watch this video here, because it will explain to you step by step. And if you want to join, just click on here or click on any of these buttons in here. There's a company in-depth video here. There's a compensation plan here, and then all you need to do is click on this button here and you can join. Let's have a little look here at the ranks as you go up the ranks, because as you go up the ranks, this is if you want to start referring other members, then you get paid more. So if you refer 2, you become an explorer, and then you get first generation of 25% matching bonus. And as you go through up here, you'll see all the different levels. The more people you refer, the further down the generations you get of check matching bonus. And if you want to be really aggressive and promote heavily, when you've referred 50, you start to get 2% profits of the company. And if you refer over 100, then you get 5%. So the company's really giving back with their pay plan to their members. To get started, you've got $9.95 for your single pack, and these are all the benefits. You want to pause the video there and see that. But for the traffic, you're going to get a membership upgrade every single month for a year. Now, what that will equate to at the end of the year, with the amount of members you can email out to with this safe list mailer, by the end of the year, so your traffic's going to grow every month, but by the end of the year, you will be emailing to over 500,000 members. The tri-pack over here, this is where by the end of the year, because you get an upgrade to 3 safe lists, then you'll be emailing out to over 1.2 million members. So your traffic grows every single month. Now, I'm a huge advocate of safe list mailers. If you go onto my channel, if you're new to my channel, then you go onto my how to use safe list playlist. You'll see my recent video. I emailed out to 800,000 prospects, and I'm an upgraded member in each and every one of these safe lists that are in the description here. Now, what I love about safe lists is, especially if you're new and you haven't got a social media following, you haven't got an email list, this is a pre-built audience for you to promote to. This is why safe lists work so well. You can just send out an email and you can promote to thousands and thousands of members just at the click of your mouse. So safe lists are great. I've been using them now for some time. I'm a huge advocate of email marketing and video marketing, and email marketing is still huge today. So you can see the potential there, and there will be an income disclaimer. I've already gone through that. So if you've enjoyed today's video, Please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me. So currently on my channel here, I'm doing several new uploads every week, and I've got over 1,000 videos on this channel now. So any questions, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer those for you. And I always put my email address in the description if you want to contact me through email, and then I'll just reply to you as soon as I can. So I do recommend clicking the link in the description and go into this page here. Have a look at the compensation plan. Have a look at the company, who the company is. And there's more information on this page, and then you can just click here to get started or get more information. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.